Hello fellow classmates, today we will be discussing the four major types of chemical substances and their physical properties. Ionic network. What is an ionic network? An ionic network is a 3D lattice structure arranged in an infinite array of interchanging positive and negative ions. These ions are held together by strong ionic bonds. Each metal cation is surrounded by 6 non-metal anions. Ions in this network are held together in fixed positions. Melting point is determined by the strength of bonds within substances and the amount of energy required to overcome them. Between the interchanging ions, strong ionic bonds are present. Therefore, it takes a lot of energy to overcome these bonds, resulting in a high melting point. Ionic networks have a strong electrostatic attraction between the oppositely charged ions. These strongly hold the lattice structure together, making it extremely hard. When you try to break an ionic crystal, the array of alternating charged ions will slightly distort, causing like charges to repel each other. This is the reason for ionic substances being brittle. In order for a substance to be conductive, there must be a mobile charged species present. As the ions in this network are held tightly in fixed positions, there are no mobile species. Hence, ionic networks do not conduct electricity. However, in a solution or liquid state, ionic substances do have mobile species. In this particular case, they conduct electricity. Sodium chloride, commonly known as salt, is an example of an ionic compound. It complies with all the properties of an ionic compound. This is as it is not conductive, has a high melting point of 801 degrees Celsius, and as we know, each grain of salt is hard and brittle. Covalent molecule. What is a covalent molecule? Covalent molecular substances are discrete molecules. They are held together by strong covalent bonds. Between these discrete neutral molecules are weak intermolecular forces of attraction holding the molecules together. Covalent molecular substances exist not only as compounds but can be diatomic elements. Covalent molecular substances are held together by weak intermolecular forces. These weak forces are easy to overcome and separate the molecule. This means that covalent molecular substances have a low melting point. As the particles in a covalent molecular substance is held together by weak intermolecular forces which can easily be broken, covalent molecular substances are soft. Covalent molecular substances do not conduct electricity because they are comprised of only neutral atoms and intermolecular forces. There are no mobile species present. Trihydrogen mononitride, commonly known as ammonia, is a covalent molecular substance. It adheres to all the properties of covalent molecular substances. Ammonia is a gas at room temperature and so has an extremely low melting point of 2 degrees Celsius. It is soft and does not conduct electricity.